taking the boat out.
And we didn't bump into anything on the way out.
He's Bill. I'm Jeanne. We're refitting our 1998 Seahorse Oceaneer 55-foot steel trawler. Blue sky. Welcome to our journey. I wish we were actually going somewhere. We're just going to get hauled out to get the bottom job done.
Morning. Take about 10 minutes to get everything checked out in front.
Woohoo! Made it to our final destination.
Now they're lifting. Mine looks really clean. Backs look a little dirtier. Definitely got pockets of popped off paint. Barnacles around that. That one's totally gone. I don't know. Not much left of that one.
Lots of shade under the 55-foot steel trawler, at least on this side. And the shade and the breeze, it's all good. It's been more than 2 years, hasn't it?
Maybe 2 years and a couple of weeks.
That's right. Even though we came out December
We didn't go back in until June.
of 2024.
Yep.
It's so empty, but you can see her way over there.
Looks like they've started prepping. Got some sanding done here.
While the boat's on the hard getting a bottom job, we're staying in the guest room at our house, as our youngest son rents out the top floor from us. Well, Bill's staying there because I'm in Vail, Colorado on a girls' trip with my sister. Anyway, after a few nights on the old full-size mattress,
Unbox the mattress.
Bill ordered a new king-size mattress
There's the beast.
and a bed frame,
Go, it's hard as a rock.
which he is unboxing and building now.
Maybe I shouldn't be sitting over it like this. It'll explode and I'll be doing the world's widest split. Warning, when unpacking the mattress topper, move away from the direction the mattress is expanding. Uh-oh. No one's zipping. Right. In the middle of the freaking room. It's alive. Yeah, of course you want to fold upside down. Does have a little bit of a stink to it. Let it air out for a little while. Turn the heat filter up on high. Okay. Oh, that feels good. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's nice and firm. Oh, oh my. Definitely gonna think I pull that down for that smell of off gas. It's definitely much nicer.
Day 2. Looks like they've done more sanding. Yeah. Pretty much gotten all the way down the sides. Yeah, they got underneath too. I can definitely see it's been sanded down in there, so that's looking good. Yeah, you can see it down to the. Oop, forgot to bring the Allen wrenches, so we're going to take that other thing off. Yeah, looks like they've gotten this. It's roughed up nice. Looking good. There you got the back. Yeah. Yeah. Haven't done too much on the metal here. Well, they did that metal. Huh. Might bring my belt. Might work better. Okay, still got to get that off. Props look pretty good. And a few spots. Yeah, not too bad. That looks good through there. Cool. Doesn't look like a whole lot of change, although I guess they did do more sanding underneath. Along the area there. Those are still in place. I will remove them. Yeah, I have some boards out. Yep. Now I'll look at the video and see if there's much difference. All right, they got the rust script and the first layer of epoxy on top. Our very spotted boat. We have reverse measles, I guess. But other than that, looks really good. Lots of spot coverage and everything. Good. Hopefully this will keep these spots from falling off next time. At least that's what we can hope. And then we got this side over here. Got the same basic setup. Looking good. Cool. Get the whole boat. Very nice. There is the new mattress. The bed came in. I am going to put this up on edge and just bring the pieces in and assemble the pieces. There is bed frame in the box. It even says wicker frame. So hopefully it'll be close to the existing wicker. I'm going to start bringing those parts in later. Well, so far no instructions, so this is going to be fun. Okay, maybe I finally see some instructions. Oh, yeah, that's quite nice. Seems a little softer with that. Oh. Got at least one coat of red on. Pretty good.
The boat is going back in the water tomorrow. And we're putting zincs back on tonight.
Worry about those later. So,
Wish those were gold bars. What is that called?
Tough gel. It keeps the screws from becoming one with the bolt while they're underwater for the next couple of years.
So we just have to do that 17 more times.
Yeah, something like that.
We got all the zincs on. He's just making sure we've tightened them all up. The fourth one, a sneaky fifth one in there. 6, these 2, 7, and 8. So that's 8 big ones, and then the 2 rudder ones. And the same on the port side. 1, I think there's a 1 up in there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And he also put on the line cutter.
Well, it's a combination anode and line cutter.
Oh, wow. That's the starboard, I mean port, and this one's starboard.
Luckily, it was the shortest stay so far. Down to less than 2 weeks now. Gone from 3 years, 6 months to 2 weeks. Okay. Let's see. Wow. Into the dark. Nothing much going on there. Yep. Okay, so we need to do engine checks and everything. See if we got water coming out the side. Yep, got water there. Yeah, you can barely see it. Okay, that's good. There. Okay. The engine is turning.